Hi from Laundry Talk. Today's video is a quick and easy homemade volcano you can do with your kids. It is so easy to make and just requires 3 ingredients. Yep, just 3 ingredients. Let's get on with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. All right, so we're going to take baking soda.
Okay, baking soda.
Vinegar. This is the vinegar. Dishwashing soap. And a tube. All right, Camila. Here you go.
Okay, sticky. Sorry, Mommy, it's so
okay.
small.
Ven, agárralo así. Échalo aquí. 1. Gracias. 2. Agárralo. 3. Uh-oh. And 4. Okay. Now we're gonna put a little bit of this. Mira, agárralo aquí. Pump. Duro. 1. Otra vez. No, up. Suéltalo. Again. 2. Súbelo. And 3. Okay. Now we're gonna put this. Ready? No lo huela. Whoa. Hold on. Whoa. Yay. No lo toque. It's a volcano. Oh. Wow, look, Camila. Look.
I know like.
No lo huela, Camila.
Yes. I know like.
Oh. No lo huela de cerca.
It's not.
Yes, don't get so close to it, baby.
No.
Look, it keeps going. No. Yeah, it's a volcano. What? Look, it keeps going again. Be careful.
No volcano. Ooh.
Whoa! Más! Hey, come! Oh, look, it's keep going. Keeps going. Ya. When you're working with toddlers, you can expect the unexpected. So stay tuned for some bloopers and don't forget to smile. Look, it keeps going. Camila, you're too close. Okay, stop.
I keep blowing.
Camila, pero no. Is it?